But then when you read, okay, so it's the greater treasure than that of any other art, and then you read in Sacrosanctum Concilium that Gregorian chant, that Latin is to be retained in the new rite of Mass. Most parishes don't have a word of Latin anywhere. And that Gregorian chant is to receive pride of place. And then you skim through what it says in, Musicam Sacram, okay, great, and it reaffirms all of this stuff, and then you read the germ, and the germ starts quoting all of this stuff and reinforcing, and then what's the first option for the entrance antiphon? It's to sing from the Graduale Romanum. The second option is to sing from the Graduale Simplex. The third option is to sing from another collection of antiphons and versicles, which is clearly derivative, and we're slowly getting further and further from the model, but it's still saying, this is the first thing you should do, and if you don't, do the easier version of it, and if you don't, do something that's derivative of that, and then if still you can't even hit that bar, okay, but then it all makes sense, and you realize that the new rite of Mass is supposed to still very much resemble the old rite of Mass.